So for my IP project, for my last year at Stamps, I am focusing on the human body as a form of art and design. I want to create a life-size ceramic or plaster body that is posed in a more artistic manner and have the walls all filled with different oil paintings of different parts of the human body that I find beautiful and society finds beautiful, and how those structures can define beauty. And I want them to all be very realistic and resemble medical and scientific illustration, because I'd have to study what these different parts of the body would look like. I've always been led to scientific and medical illustration because I was born or growing up with profound hearing loss. So I was in and out of hospitals and audiologist buildings constantly throughout my childhood. And in all of the medical buildings, I've always noticed a lot of the ear posters or environmental magazines. Everything was science-based, and it kind of gave me something to look at. And I kind of was infatuated with them because I could keep looking at them and it would almost help me get through what I was going through. I've always wondered, why do I have hearing loss? And looking at all of these posters kind of helped me understand it. And I always felt that the better that I could understand something, the more I could advocate for treatment, I guess. I like to draw puzzles and kind of connect them to past projects. So sometimes I don't really know what to do for my next project. So I start making web designs or free writings about what past projects that I have done. So I usually do free writings about what haven't I done or what didn't I finish in the last project, and it kind of inspires the next project. I did a previous project about how I consider knowledge a form of beauty, and hospitals and anatomy and internal organs are kind of seen as death and decay, and I wanted to see it in a different light, and I wanted other people to see it in a different light because it's so much more than just death and decay. It's what we are as human beings. And I also wanted to raise awareness in my projects for medical and scientific illustration. I think a lot of people don't realize that all of those drawings in there have come from a visual artist who was able to understand the science behind it and how to make it a visual thing. I want to invite viewers not just to find it beautiful, but also be uncomfortable by it. I understand that not everybody finds science beautiful or intriguing. Some people find science to be disturbing or complicated. So I want my viewers to see it however they can. I am my own viewer in this project, and I find it beautiful, and that's all my main goal is. So I guess I want my viewers to kind of recognize the work that I put into it and the importance of visual artists in the scientific world.